One location in town that was a community icon for 100 years or more was nearing complete abandonment. Community members have fond memories of growing up in this establishment, reading comic books as children, eating ice cream as a weekly treat, and having community time with friends. With special assistance from Knox Heritage in Knoxville, this building was added to the National Register of Historic Places. Now it is saved. The Morgan County Tourism Alliance carefully and diligently negotiated the purchase of this store, known as Tanner's Store, preserving the Tanner legacy and saving the store from certain ruin.
The thing I remember about Tanner's is coming here as a child, probably in the 50s, and having an ice cream cone after church. We used to come by every Sunday and get an ice cream cone, and then we'd go home.
So our vision for Tanner's now going forward is to recreate that atmosphere and to once again get the ice cream counter up and running, be able to serve sandwiches, maybe some soups, certainly some coffee for the community members to come in on a regular basis if they like, for visitors to come in and get anything that they need, particularly the community time to sit and talk and get to know each other. So I think it's really got a real possibility of being once again a lively part of Wartburg and Morgan County as a whole. Also, Tanner's will be a good place for the hikers to meet together or to stop and rest as they come in off the Cumberland Trail or any of the other trails that we have in the area. A real positive place for people to gather.
And we hope the hikers also to be able to come in and use Wi-Fi, free Wi-Fi, have us receive their packages that they want mailed in, and see what else.
Charging
charging of their phones and things, so that'll be available to them too. And get a chance to meet some of the local town folks.